What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best subwoofers for car on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Rockville Car/Truck Subwoofer. The Rockville SS10P Slim under-seat subwoofer is designed to bring strong bass performance to vehicles without taking up valuable interior space. It has a compact build that allows it to fit easily under most car or truck seats while delivering impressive low-frequency sound. With a built-in amplifier, it supports a clear and deep output that enhances music listening during drives. The unit is engineered with a cast aluminum enclosure that helps maintain durability and keeps the system cool even when used for long periods. Its wired connection provides stable audio performance, allowing consistent bass delivery across different music genres. The design helps reduce distortion so the sound remains smooth and enjoyable at various volume levels. Its low profile makes it an excellent choice for vehicles where space is limited. The thoughtful construction allows easy integration into existing audio setups while improving overall sound quality. By placing it under the seat, it offers a clean and hidden installation without affecting passenger comfort. This subwoofer is built to handle demanding use and is equipped with technology that protects it from thermal or electrical issues. It offers reliable performance for car audio enthusiasts who want enhanced bass response. With its efficient design and durable materials, it is a practical upgrade for anyone looking to add depth and clarity to their in-car entertainment system. In our list, the number 4 product name is Seventour Car Subwoofer. The Seventour ST-1000 slim-powered car subwoofer is made for drivers who want deep bass without taking up extra space inside their vehicle. It has a low-profile design that fits under most seats and still delivers strong sound quality for music lovers. The built-in amplifier allows the system to create a clear and rich audio experience while keeping the setup simple and efficient. Its housing is crafted from cast aluminum, which helps with heat control and durability during long drives. The design also features a unique speaker protector and an attractive ambient light ring that glows blue when the vehicle starts, giving a stylish look to the interior. This makes it both practical and visually appealing. The subwoofer supports auxiliary, RCA, and USB connections, making it easy to integrate into different audio systems. It provides solid mono output that enhances overall sound performance while keeping distortion low. Its wide frequency range allows listeners to enjoy detailed bass across various music genres. Seventour has also included multiple safety measures such as thermal and overload protection, which ensure reliable operation. The unit is compact, efficient, and well suited for car or truck audio upgrades. For anyone looking to boost the bass in their sound system while saving space, this under-seat subwoofer offers a convenient and high-performing solution. In our list, the number 3 product name is Pioneer Powerful 12-inch Subwoofer. The Pioneer TSA 301D4 Champion Series subwoofer is built for listeners who want a bold upgrade to their car audio setup. It brings impressive bass depth that transforms ordinary tracks into a more thrilling and immersive sound. Designed with dual 4-ohm voice coils and a powerful motor system, it delivers exceptional audio performance for those who want stronger low-end tones without distortion. This model uses a specially crafted 2-piece cone made from a honeycomb composite that is rigid and seamless. The design supports accurate and balanced sound production while maintaining durability even under heavy use. Combined with a strong drive cone, it ensures consistent bass response across a wide variety of music styles. The reinforced basket structure helps stabilize the entire unit by reducing excess vibration, keeping the sound tight and focused during playback. With its robust construction and advanced components, the Champion series fits perfectly into custom installations or upgrades where both sound quality and reliability are important. The unit can handle high power levels and still maintain clarity, which makes it ideal for anyone seeking a deep and rich low-frequency experience. Its mono output and RCA connectivity provide flexible integration with most modern car audio systems. This subwoofer allows drivers and passengers to enjoy a cinematic audio experience on the road. The engineering behind the Pioneer Champion series focuses on precision, power, and longevity, making it an excellent choice for boosting overall music enjoyment. Whether cruising through city streets or traveling long distances, its high-quality sound design elevates the listening atmosphere with controlled, resonant bass that stands out. In our list, the number 2 product name is Skar Audio Car Subwoofer. The Skar Audio EVL65D4 subwoofer is designed to bring powerful sound in a small and compact build for car audio enthusiasts. It is created to deliver impressive low-end performance that enhances the overall listening experience. Even with its small size, it produces hard-hitting bass that adds depth to music without losing clarity. This model is an excellent option for drivers who want rich sound without taking up much space in their vehicle. Built with a dual 4-ohm voice coil configuration, it provides flexibility for various installation setups. The copper voice coil is engineered for durability and smooth power handling, allowing consistent sound output during extended use. With a sensitivity rating designed for efficient performance, it can produce dynamic bass even with moderate amplifier power. Its wired connectivity ensures reliable signal transmission, while the stereo audio output blends seamlessly with existing car systems. The frequency response supports low-range tones, making it suitable for enhancing genres that rely on deep bass. Despite being compact, the construction of the Skar Audio EVL65D4 supports hard-hitting impact and clean playback across different types of music. This subwoofer is ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's audio with tight and controlled bass performance. The combination of strong materials and thoughtful design helps maintain sound accuracy while offering an immersive experience for passengers. Whether installed in small cars or larger vehicles, it adds a level of fullness and balance to any audio setup. The Skar Audio EVL65D4 provides an excellent solution for those who want a compact yet powerful option for deep bass and reliable sound quality on the road. In our list, the number 1 product name is Rockville Car Subwoofer Enclosure. The Rockville SK510 system is designed for drivers who want deep and powerful sound in their vehicles without compromising space. This package combines a high-performing 10-inch K5 subwoofer with a reliable mono amplifier to create an impressive low-frequency experience. With a peak output of 1200 watts, it brings out the rich tones in music, producing bass that feels immersive and dynamic during any drive. The included amplifier provides consistent power delivery for smooth performance and is equipped with a bass level controller for easy sound adjustment. This helps maintain clarity and depth across different types of audio, making it ideal for those who enjoy a variety of music styles. The subwoofer enclosure is built with durable medium-density fiberboard and covered with a protective finish that ensures long-lasting use, even with heavy bass output. Installation is designed to be straightforward, with all necessary wiring included for a professional setup. The system's compact dimensions allow it to fit in most vehicles without taking up too much space, making it a great choice for car audio enthusiasts who want a balance of size and performance. The construction helps reduce unwanted vibrations, allowing the low tones to remain clean and controlled. This complete package makes it possible to transform an ordinary sound system into one that offers a deep and impactful listening experience. By combining durable materials with thoughtful engineering, the Rockville SK510 adds intensity and fullness to any audio setup while remaining reliable for everyday use. It is a solid option for those seeking powerful bass and enhanced audio quality on the road.